What is saying?
Oh, nyame adome we.
Nyame ase.
Na dawena me breaking sports na yakọ Christmas holidays no.
Okay, weekend here asenka enya bad.
Ndikala program
enfa Monday ento aso.
Unka view. Emudi en na woka.
Ana yemu se atiefo no. Dabe no mpese enko ho.
Eje bode uzo ma ka fa me enko holiday.
Ase wo mu yenko ho mi mu dabe.
Bisa obodi.
My bread. My bread.
Obodi ni mama wansa.
My bread.
Obodi ni mama wansa na
my bread papa.
Omo mu amano ni no mo si o.
Exchange rate.
Debe mi no mo nyaade. Mi no mo nyaade. Say
no pay say about 11 something and am.
Exchange rate kware say eno enfa wo. Say rich wa hai Bronya bia obere $200 so rich obronya dey $200.
What dey send no ama me.
Send onu be se obenya no nya wo. To the 200 na dey amara. Onu agasa kwasesa.
Se mo yesa bronya yentimi nkwase. Epamcho abrochefo na. Mo dey exchange rate ye excuse ni epamcho.
Exchange rate. They have so rich 200 me dey atumo. Onu no kwasesa ana say dey be convert aba bia no. Eno ni ono na se
sremo a
amom exchange rate omo ano rich and everything come on get bebre
sure
na first one pom bia Paris Saint-Germain ebeje trophy bia no a kind about how rich say oye project work and say oye any research now you want to say o the Paris Saint-Germain ebe your research na o pekwan a obefa so obeka say e kwan ben na football clubs etimi etoto omo nioma enya success a which I think the PSG will give you full package full package adentina me kasa. Which there are a lot of ways football clubs effort to get success. But say Paris Saint-Germain had to combine all of them as a more success now. To be successful as a football club, Rich, we hear investments. Sika. Or Sika background. And since Akata for no edisi kabiri Paris Saint-Germain mu no nyina yenim say ewiase open club akwa investment wo mu pa Paris Saint-Germain. Number 2 Rich say investment in ba sometimes you need to invest in the right people into administration from CEO to sporting director to coach obefa to player materials obefa how quality omoye rich we dey bon company coaches at Paris Saint-Germain since sikane ba omo form Ancelotti mu nyina alcohol long mu nyina alcohol yes you can mention a lot of coaches omo nyina go pass through Paris Saint-Germain and they've tried it including changing even sporting directors in then omitisi players so which at a point in time they had Lionel Messi, Neymar, Mbappe, Sergio Ramos they were playing for the club. And they tried say okay you say open success our football man a kwan ba ko ni say we be pay sika naba we invest in the right people, coaches papa, players papa, managers papa, nyina wafa. Rich, there's another way to get success in football. And then he say football is a team sport. And enyem tembiana individual stars and a big trophies now. Build a solid team under solid principles. At the point that was okay. Stars na nyi. And you call the other approach building a solid team the principles of the team and say aha egos ni ha obi anya superstar wa ha ni nyina ye koma ye ho and see it me ekoma ye ho a with unity in purpose no ye betimi adu ba bi e wo se edu rich omoja Messi kwan ja Neymar kwan ja Kylian Mbappe kwan Sergio Ramos ma won etiko mo pamo stars ni nyina fi mo timi ni even including Di Maria Money stars bi a Omundru Messi, but they became stars on their own. Javier Pastore, Marco Verratti, Omuna, Zlatan Ibrahimovic. You guys are all going here. Edison Cavani, why number Paris Saint-Germain? They've all gone through the mill. Then, Rich, they started to build with Luis Enrique. And they say, offer Paris Saint-Germain on first 11. Rich, on the face value, will be like 2 players. And I'm going back to Omoti Champions League. You only mentioned probably Donnarumma. And I mentioned Donnarumma because he had won the best player Euros. And he has shown he was a top level goalkeeper. Even as an Oko Paris Saint-Germain. So I will mention him. Then probably Dembele. Omo Makenina, Ashraf Hakimi, very good, but na Emrusu biya. Yeah, Afena. Ukasa wo Messi, the best right back, yes.
Afena umunyina eba.
Nuno Mendes, Marquinhos, okay. Pacho Krade, you will be a free buyer. Who was Vitinha? Who was João Neves? Fabian Ruiz, yes, good. But on setting you knew Thiago Alcantara, money Pedro, more hype, no, but proper footballer. Vichamu, Desei Doué, Bradley Bakola. These are not superstars. They are not world-class players. But Rich, they decided to go that lane. And you know, Rich, kindly put here. What they've added more a promotion of even academy players. Mayulumo, Mbaimo. They are getting the results. And Paris Saint-Germain, they're rich. Who can say, oh, far almost hope. Now, what were the success story, you know, the new free, how they've chopped and changed. And you know, film the dynamics of what film they are doing. Rich, you get everything in that club. The beer. Semenyo fee and for year success in football they've gone through that dynamics and today Rich and now almost share Flamingo for no ekrane moment with the Intercontinental Cup. What it means is that Rich almost 2025 for the year it will forever be remembered as the greatest year for the club. Almost everything Chelsea they deny almost the FIFA Club World Cup. And can you say and trophy be so many beyond and can they've been able to win it. So that is the story of Tima for the Paris Saint-Germain. Which in Antoine Semenyo. Now and ambassador no one near team for you this uncle Mokitua. According to Fabrizio, November mu Liverpool F. Semenyo the club and the rep said in communion that's okay. I see in the last 48 hours Manchester United and Man City after the same people Semenyo and in the club say I rented the situation at the same. Then in the last few hours, Tottenham was spare. And so I joined the race almost in Antoine Semenyo. Which my question is simple. Liverpool, Tottenham, Manchester United, Manchester City. And here for Semenyo. Say I'm for say Obia near break. Obia could have 65 million. Bournemouth say oh the bar me Semenyo the amount. Obia ready to meet the personal terms. Rich, where should our brother go? And I want to Bournemouth, and I see your option.
Yeah.
Uncle Man U, Uncle Man City.
I think Man U,
Uncle Tottenham, Uncle Liverpool, and I want to go beyond one to an complete season.
Because so far with the teams now, I think United and Tottenham. Okay. No bet me a commanded.
Okay.
Started
good. So be doing common. What will be your primary consideration?
Maybe your call be biabo.
Maybe your call be biabo.
Yeah.
Okay. Say maybe your call be biabo. Which some for be our first level in CCA. Would you say clubs in your for part of go be biabo? I think the first option will be Manchester United.
And Americano.
Yes. The first
United
option,
there.
The first anything.
Yeah.
The first option will be Manchester United. Because at Tottenham, which Kudus is now playing on the right. Xavi Simons as a number 10. And I started far. I think that Tottenham will also have a space for him. Because Tottenham, which almost left hand side of him, Obia said only claim to that position. And she up for grabs. Okona Thomas Frank say, "Ubeti amane di opa." I think say he will slot you in. But the issue really say, will Tottenham meet the personal ambitions of Antoine Semenyo? Which probably you want to win trophies too. So Mudiako, a bigger club from Bournemouth today, probably you want to join a club. At least over here, so me medals near. Tottenham do not promise you that. Manchester, can give you the playing time, but the environment is too toxic. And you may join, have good moments. But
in terms of Bibia
it is not guaranteed.
But you see, Liverpool, you
see,
I don't know, only starter.
That is where the problem is. Look, unless Semenyo come up behind the scenes, will inform him, say, yeah, Tony, I walk Salah, it's Kwamanako, it's Bra. Oba, you are not going to compete with Salah. But even if he is going to compete with Salah, Genanseya and Asrotai, wouldn't it convince you say, oh, let me say, he will allow me to play. Because in Pepe, based on Salah performance at the penal, coach has been able to bench him. And it's a Obama. Say, I can give them more than what Salah has given them. Probably I will play. But you see, the caveat I want to say, Rich, you can't fight a legend. Because Nancy or Benchy Salah, only they do high a buy. It's impossible bayina unless they sell him. Unless they tell you, oh, you have a turn after this season, you have a Jano Quine. It's bra. Rich. Manchester City, Bibi. City should then need similar type of player. And he can give Pep what we call dynamism. Into the team, no, the same as changing the team. It changes the way a team needs the ball. But the issue really say, how many times will Pep want to go the Semenyo dynamic player? Because he will prefer the Chalkies, the Bernardo Silvas, Boku, Ford and Mo, who like they are typical Pep players. Semenyo is more direct and we can work. Pep so play J. And he will give him dynamism. But as to the frequency or the you see dynamism in the team, no, probably will be the biggest.
City, the more consider. I know Pep. Show bit to say Calvin Phillips. Calvin Phillips make high heroes, no, Bob Branton, a boy. Oh, that time he was the best player ever in England.
Boy, least class and
least that time before Mbabu heroes.
Yes, and Abiasa.
And now Pep de Kofan buy. Benji at the point when you mean.
Are you serious? If that is your reason, because that would be one out of how many players are Pep Akase Mipel Bra, not one of my superstars. You wouldn't be fair if you the Calvin Phillips in Kwan. I can say Pep you play coach Bia or Perno no about no sell.
That's what best sell, but they said in our canon. Pep no or players are more flair. When born a ball. Pass a camera. But maybe I'm not Semenyo to me a man as animal. And no bench it.
That's what I'm saying, say. And the trump card will be giving Pep dynamism. Plan B. Now Bobo na kecha for no, they are not giving me what I want. I want more direct energy, aggression. It's the Semenyo ba. No about me said money the money. But how many times have Pep been used to there? H. Minister go first after the message.
Message abapa.
Ghana for the mumu and you say you need Semenyo term kwaiwa. But we are in the internet world where he can see it. Maybe I know share na so be a chat commander. This video can go.
I say Semenyo is not much. Okay, my main camera message nature than your computer.
Semenyo is not much of an improvement.
Okay. Wasn't not much of an improvement over Gapo. Their play style are similar. They are direct wingers. It's Salah, Liverpool won't replace. Okay, so so no crowd wedding car.
Yes, so Semenyo
Gapo audience. Salah hono.
And he can play right. He has played. Last game of Manchester United boy. Where did he score the goal from the right?
Okay, Frank Owen say another example between the Ama Ediaka Calvin Phillips the no. Jack Grealish. That's a Jack at the point no ball.
Of course.
Jack boy and say
successful now. It's see, I can see a got South Argentina. You get some players under every coach or buy an
okay, I say Anna Slot has shown that if he buys you, you play no matter what. Fran Vex is an example, and Kwade Gapo have been inconsistent, and with the form of our brother, he will start. Okay.
No reservation, Kaka. You see, which? The new Kwade Gapo, Netherlands, me. Say, when it's Salah Hono, now go competing with Bapa. Rich, I am telling you.
We're starting ahead of.
Oh, no. Why would you think, say, and as lot was sanctioned, say, Yanton even played this David Luiz, no Yagako. And Bani Simba said Luis Diaz was a far better player in terms of the aggression in the BBA. But you allowed Luis Diaz to leave. It's a bawoni bia. Number 2. Or say an assault to tow on Guadia. Oh, an assault to tow Iketike. Iketike cried or Sabe was some numbers. But you should be an assault here when your pango mala as a Isaka by head of him.
I know the simple reason he is coming to town.
But we
don't buy 150 player now national bench.
Maybe always this issue here. Me catch you Iketike so amafo.
Let say about 150. 150. And say at a point to Grand Isaac, no a joint goal scorer.
Of course,
our Premier League.
Yes.
And it's such a player national bench.
You see, Isaac the other day, the next level of probably the consideration and say, Abantiano Etietia just to join Liverpool. So Obeko that far to say I want to join you no matter what.
And so rewarding.
Oba. No, one we are so me ni was.
As City has Phil Foden, Omar Mamouche, Rancheki, and others, it will be tight for him. Salah position is doubtful. And Cody Gakpo is inconsistent.
So go Liverpool.
And don't go Liverpool.
Obia mention Man U. Obia mention Tottenham.
And United will be because of me, Mindy. Yes, he didn't the penny. Okay, I say, Man U as simple as that. He can also win cups with them.
I won't say Yamu say Arsenal or Liverpool will help Semenyo than City.
Yeah.
But Arsenal is not in the picture.
Arsenal is
not in the picture. And see, what the Mungo so I'm from message bra. I hear from Amujidi say Antoine Semenyo or Kwa Ebebuano for playing time, for the development, for trophies at the end of the career and in the BBano. When next and I'll say I had the biggest.
But Ushan is here. Among clubs in Abubon on page, and Abakas on Tuesday.
I'll tell him to finish the season now.
Okay.
And not move in January.
On both seasons in May.
Which January moves are too risky. On both seasons he will have an appreciation of club beer any situation. Which see both season never clear Liverpool to Salah. Where want to go?
Okay.
Fisco,
I say I'm a Liverpool fan. Sorry, I'm a City fan. But I will never advise him to join us.
Okay.
Also, no City ni pa but onto Semenyo so I'm about City. Mboano.
Oh, I'm
for reason yeah. And I also City ni but ono GD is a brand in the bar Mboano. Which me mean
probably I'm sure say he's talking about City a lot of players. Semenyo yes can compete, but it will not any good to throw yourself into that competition and say I want to compete before I play. Which maybe the same medical can. And come against almost season in way. So this season in way he will know team be in a situation. Even United. So this season in way na am on it now. I'm on or San and San or body or bona. We are more in push even in press conferences and say I need players to say Semenyo. Oh, like he will have more appreciation as to why team be better and the situation at team the room. Then he can probably make the move. Generally, win the year. Which team are risky unless when clear. I said only overtaking no. When clear so we dey make me here and I'm here. And yes, it will be too risky. Okay, because I'm commanders. Okay, yeah, I think that Bruno. Then let me give a rollover code 90 minutes. Which what is Bruno Fernandez interview now?
Yeah.
And Yaman go for say on your current interview. As far as the interview now and last week. No. I think someone say or your interview somewhere around November more. Which I don't say. I said no okay.
So interview is a type a timer. Teams now war Arabs or no. I imagine some pen on.
But
yeah, and yes, I interview.
I must say the Portuguese FA. Our scheduled interviews be our journalists be our players.
Okay.
And this was one of them. Now, as a man of Bruno Kwakai, and meaning Baina ubetimi a film. Rich, I say, okay, say only obi. Our Saudi Arabia club, a friend Ayala, Edim Komo. Na the only any say nipa kono ni Edim Komo no. Whether or a club or a president, and answer or one of the directors our club no. Name the man on this side nipa kono Edim Komo ni say. Niya will be nervous. I don't see a Portuguese or what's that team no. After still a text message say opanyin bi o club ni mu a bebi a mesi aka won Saudi Arabia na o se opeso no wudi nkomo etimi de won number ma no no so for number ne ma no we see onim panyin ni di nkomo no di asema panyin ni kanyina ne se o ye nya wan kere roba Ayala. Then what he picked from panyin oni di nkomo no ani Ruby Neves and say Ayala ho no omu coach aye Jesus sa coach no oya Portuguese and onim say Jesus oya player Jesus epenasem into on sure pass and sa Jesus Portuguese connection oh Bruno do oya le boy epenasem no ana Emma Jesus Emma team pressure say and kamenya Bruno obi team mu a and kamepe after establishing our fact no rich I don't say no kreni nyame anim se eba sikasam dia en kasadi pro league no e wo mu se man yu eche ne kaye pa ne ho to no on complaining da about sikasam ba se ke sikadia which enko sadi dia no eye bebre na okay so say one day se ebia ebemu say okosi aka o Saudi Arabia e mo bi nkenche ni say sikani ntia because ke sika kasam nkoko na nada rich wa ma no nsi wa ena o tama matu to say again say keba so why enticed by other clubs for baby a enka fin ko join a club bi enka some enka trophies enka waji no ena omo mu ye interview too ba ko ka say all say Paris Saint-Germain ana because yet say Paris Saint-Germain pro so wa win dia because I think all my success is in now. I'll be part of it. Now, Rich, this is where assembly now. All the community now. And we say the biggest problem of what was our community and say time and Saudi for the buyer. Any sika for the buyer. And when we say I'm a akache onuru Bruno ne se open on tinamano nenso so no odneni tutu fomu anu o Manchester United mpanyimfo a senko ka senko bepa enka on beton na manako ensade no enya se ekoye se coach ni nko na mempene mane nko nenka o expect say ababa wabo Manchester United no enka Saudi for the buyer no enka Manchester United owners ni mpanyimfo no so nka say Bruno yama no mfiri yanko ne mfiri yanko china pa say se ganya no wina enka onu gitu so mekwa onyi ni se ko bi be resist se enka on man nko nka mu be giskere gu yie nko ma wo ni kun sasa onko na eno ni ya papa. What do you make of this conversation? Is Bruno Fernandez expecting too much of loyalty from Manchester United? A broso. Because at a point he was also saying, say over England, or missing for common. So we appear to be not all young 30 aircraft. No one fatigue can say, oh, yeah, and no more give me a true physical. Mini untimi mo o si sebi o mu discuss players with England that is furniture I say ya yem kunya gudem enyi ya no si o yesisa no kunya no chedo do yesisa no asati ye tukutuku yesisa no and senior na onyi no the way na football esi appreciate loyalty so be say media me tum watch na ma ye adwuma wa ko we no say and that is where his pain is coming from. Now you see, Rich.
Now, sir, there's no sense football is about result. No matter the Oba club, no. Say, baby, do not club net trase. No, I'm sure my name no few say, look, what about there? But they say result now they mine. It's not enough. A typical example is Mo Salah and Liverpool. At the end of Mo Salah and Liverpool. When a Liverpool realizes that they say like performance no enkoyi say pull numbers from 3-4 years ago the be this season na what from until here will be obama result no.
So you see the difference with Bruno is say Ojiri say at no point in the form of perform. So because all pulling numbers this season as compared to last 2 seasons, as compared to last 3 seasons, he is still giving his best. Yeah. That is the first problem. The second problem is when they say, you see, Rich, sometimes Nkofu will want you to even show them fake love than to be blunt and say na me no situation it here. Who the channel or doctor on any fake. Oh, yeah, my own consider a pisca. Maybe I think say the only thing missing from Bruno and narrative, no, he looking at Manchester United as a business club. Rich. Sika Saudi for and the basso pay Bruno. No. Will not be cheap money. It will be in excess of 100 million.
Club here no Europe over 100.
Rich
for Bruno.
For midfielder.
Untia.
On your striker, on your Erling Haaland, on your Kylian Mbappe. So because of it, you're 150 million. Man, you will take it. Especially when Serge Ratcliffe, how many times we painted the picture of the financial crisis Elumi at Manchester. And see, boardroom what here, Rich, their decision making has always been money first and our business first. And sana, you have sports in the BBR, and they believe so. We are doing 150. Not your core clubs. We can get about 2 players. Be they are the same. You be young for so. Even if we buy 2 players for 100 million and make a profit of 50 million on one Bruno, that is good gain for Manchester United. And I think so Rich. Bruno problem no, and you have a problem. Because you have a problem. Look, it is easily relatable. Obi a oti bibia. Say we are juma in a company. Eto de bia on, Rich. We are more obsessed about we are juma. Juma de bia, so that opportunity to no maba. Me ba me yema from the nyina. But all the decisions you hear from board managers, it's all about sika targets on side. There's a big gap in understanding business from the managerial aspect. Anyone will hear you, and that is what is happening to Bruno. So, it's saga. It is existing between you and our daily life. And see, that is it with Abantia, friend of Bruno Fernandez. Now, every time, you know, you're not doing Komono Ako, your name.
So, ono Bruno Nankasano. Tama Ali for Nabai, no only decision is say. Go from no interview in Chichimo de Amano. Also, he was a Morim and a catching the look, me, my uncle. Say, I bought the uncle Monaco.
Yeah, it's on see or you.
So, the decision was
to stay.
Okay.
And he even mentioned it in the interview. Said the only time I probably he will think about the career will be after the World Cup. But time I learned from a friend, you know, they told him point blank say they wanted to have him before the World Cup.
Okay.
And Manchester United as a club, because you can't call Bruno Nkoa, he is contracted to 2027. And you speak to Manchester United. And as some of us can say, Santa on only a willing so Man United would have sold him even before the World Cup. It's about this time on Manchester United. That is his point.
Okay. Because sorry, I'll say he's expressing regret and feel let down by the United hierarchy. Okay. Kwabremo saw the message about say Ayala is right. United has been a commercial project since Alex Ferguson left. Football is a side project. Okay. na
United go baby obi episka come be episka rich. And now it's what they think about first.
Sacrifice on them.
Oh, this is in Ibadan down. Oh, shows. And
business aspect.
Who's this are rich at the table as well. More power, accountant for financial directors. I want to vote power board. No analysis, no, can we say, profit say, we
have to near the highway.
We say Manchester Associate Club, a shareholders club. The more you make money, the more they make their dividends.
The shareholders and also to Charlie's Kady.
I say, take dividends out of it. Everything I make us sometimes reach the level of conversations at board for Ninyano. And in the conversations are phone which is totally different.
Okay.
And I for a lot of company and Toka Ebano. So when you're bored, you have to carry your more no me man along. So we do more which they will be feel some pro massive. And that has always been dangerous. And when you're all about this here. So today we are starting over again. Omo interested in your 3 days rollover bonanza no, and then we are starting fresh. There are games in the Conference League mainly, and I think so there's Portuguese Cup, FC Porto Airbo. I think so that is the only beta outside the Conference League. You start with a minimum of 100 cities. Ucha we are a bar or China, which will be Friday. We will bring you another 3 hours. Then Saturday we concluded with another 3 hours. Not what in so you get some huge amount of percentage on our earnings. You know, and so for in short TV, they so say they've already captured it. But for the purpose of Omomuti already, you know, code no BW2A6E B464 BW2A6E B464. A rollover code yɛde ɛma obia from Betway. I know what be. Now I say we see a bit of ɛde ahyɛ bottom for this Christmas. Which na